Hi. So basically, I set up a package built in called Twilnyx that will start rerouting every single Twilio phone call to us at Telnyx. So right now, this is basically just using the Twilio API. I grabbed some random number to be able to actually play with this. The main difference between Twilio and us is that Twilio doesn't have a concept called like voice control and call control applications. They go directly to a webhook format. The way that this program works is you just input Python 3. You just launch the app.py, give it a parameter, which is your phone number, and when you call it, let me control save this real quick. If you call it, it will start calling my phone number directly. Here we go. And so what's cool though, let me decline this call real quick and not make it go to voicemail. What's super cool though is if we import our Twilnyx package, all we have to do is provide the API key, voice profiling, and connection ID. Then we can actually just delete our Twilio off token client account SID. Since we don't have to have a phone number to do it because of our voice trunking, we can just leave this phone number from as it was before. So then if we now rerun the program with this Twilnyx package, it converts it, and I should be getting a call on my phone number. Boom. And this call is directly through Telnyx. I did not have to do any code changes. I did not have to do any funky business going on with my main application, that the one that actually they use to generate these phone calls or the programmable voice applications. It's basically just 2 lines, and you got a permanent fixture, got a permanent conversion from going from Twilio to Telnyx in just 2 lines of code. Sweet. Cheers.